A hearty welcome to all. I'm Dr. Kritika and I'm going to be talking about one of the courses that come under Think Right India. So I'm going to be talking about the Mom and Me Brain and Creative Skills Development course. So what is the Mom and Me Brain and Creative Skills Development course is that we feel that creativity is one of the most important facets of child development, and we feel that skills of creativity is almost ingrained in every child, and it is up to us to understand the creative facets of each child, utilize the creative skills of a child to the maximum, and make them flourish under the space of creativity. So, enriching mothers and child to understand the nuances of creativity, give them activities and a lot of nuances as to how to develop creativity in their child and make them the creative best is what the Mom and Me Brain and Creative Skills Development course is about. So, why creativity? Why is creativity so important in a child or an adolescent's development? So, when you look at a lot of research pieces by neuroscientists and a lot of brain imaging scans, it was really clearly found out that creativity helps in a great way in developing a child or an adolescent's human brain. So we all know that there are a lot of neurons that is present in the human brain, and creativity, enhancing creativity in a child during its child and adolescent space helps a great deal in forming synapses in the brain that is also called as synaptogenesis. So creativity enhances the brain's productivity, the brain's innovation, the brain's problem solving skills, making child and adolescent people into resilient individuals, into more creative individuals, into more smart problem solving and innovative individuals. In this era, the 21st century, innovation helps a great way in shaping human life. It helps a great way in progress, growth and development. It helps a great way in encompassing a lot of facets and perspectives and helps people to grow to their fullest. So creativity is not just about artistic inclination and understanding. Creativity is also largely about bringing about original ideas, bringing about innovation, enhancing your problem solving skills, enhancing growth and development in individuals, forming their own enterprise, going up the ladder of success in academic understanding. So creativity is also very artistic. Creativity is also a lot about problem solving, innovation, and a lot about internalizing the good traits that every child and adolescent has. So creativity is not only used in the artistic space, creativity is a lot about the artistic space, but creativity helps a great deal in a child and adolescent's growth and in the future that they're going to be working on. It will help in every field of knowledge that they might specialize in. So we felt that creative enhancement happens the most in a human's life during the child and adolescent phase. I'm not trying to say that it doesn't happen during the adult phase. It very much does. Neurons are considered plastic, and there are a lot of times that it also does happen during the adult life, but it basically happens a lot during the child and adolescent phase of any human being. So creativity is a 21st century skill, and a lot of times a lot of job seekers and companies and a lot of big universities and colleges bring in creativity as one of the most important facets that's needed for understanding an individual, how creative they are, how original their ideas are, how useful their ideas are, how innovative their ideas are, how valuable their ideas are to themselves, to the company and to the society at large, is really important in bringing about everlasting change in humans and I guess humankind as a whole. So creativity is really important to enhance all these perspectives and help children go on the ladder to success. Even if not to the ladder of success, but to the ladder of growth and self-actualization. That's really, really important. A child's individuality, a child's ingenious understanding of a lot of facets is what is going to make them stand apart in a crowd that doesn't believe in creativity. So, as I've told you, creativity is really important. Creativity helps enhance a brain's capacity to think. They have found out that there are different, parts in the brain that give rise to different creative aspects. So, there is a part of the brain that is musically very adept. There is a part of the brain that is very poetically adept and, literature-related adaptation. There is a part of the brain that gives rise to innovation and various other facets of thinking. So the Mom and Me Brain and Creative Development course is basically to enhance the creative facets of a child or an adolescent. So I'm just going to be giving you a very small activity that I would like you guys to do because I feel it helps a great deal in you understanding a lot more about creativity. So the activity is very simple. So I would ask you people, I would ask parents to ask your child or adolescent, to encourage your child or adolescent to draw a scribble, just a normal and very random scribble on a piece of white paper. And I would request the parent to ask the child to, find out 3 or 4 shapes out of that random scribble. It can be any shape. It can be a circle, it can be a pentagon, it can be a circle, square, pentagon, rectangle, anything. So you encourage the child to take out 3 to 5 shapes out of the scribble. And you ask the child to form a story out of the shapes that they find. So it doesn't need to be that it has to be shapes. It can even be objects that they find out of the scribble. So it can be a human eye, it can be a human face, it can be a storybook, it can be a piece of a beautiful art that they find in the scribble. So you can either find out objects or you can find out objects. Objects in the sense shapes, and also object in the sense daily use things and innovative objects that help in a great way. So you ask the child to find out 3 to 5 objects in the scribble and you ask them to make a story about it. Why is this exercise really important is that it helps a great deal in making the child understand its creative nuance out of even something as random as a scribble. So creativity is so enhanced that children and adolescents can bring out stories even out of scribbles, so that is one of the most important reasons in why this particular activity is done. So I would also like to give another heads up that creativity is as important as we talk about intelligence in a child, because creativity is one of the forms of intelligence. So a lot of times creativity is not associated to intelligence, bringing forth a lot of tests, activities to teach the parents on how we can enhance the creativity of a child. And this is basically a journey that the mothers and fathers and parents in general are going to go into on a creative journey with the child to enhance the child's creativity to the maximum. So, and then there is another thing that I would like to talk about, that is a child's left and right brain development. A lot of times we think that the left brain works for certain activities and the right brain works for certain activities, but not really. Both the left and right brain come together in enhancing the creativity of the child. So we will not just work on enhancing the left or the right brain, we will work on enhancing both the left and right regions of the brain to enhance the holistic creative development of the child. I would love to embark on this journey of enhancing the creativity of every child, and I hope that parents really find this as an eye-opener in understanding the creativity of the child and embarking on a journey that will, I surely assure, will be life-changing. Thank you. It's to possess, and every human being does possess. So what is our goal for the child is that we're helping the child enhance its already present amazing creative skills. So every child has multiple creative understandings. So our main goal is to find out which creative facet is very prominent in the child and we can either develop that one creative facets, or we can help in the holistic creative development of the child. So, this course is going to be very different and innovative because we're going to be talking about a facet that's rarely talked about. Creativity is important for a child. We will be bringing forth a lot of tests, activities to teach the parents on how we can enhance the creativity of a child. And this is basically a journey that the mothers and fathers and parents in general are going to go into on a creative journey with the child to enhance the child's creativity to the maximum. So, and then there is another thing that I would like to talk about, that is a child's left and right brain development. A lot of times we think that the left brain works for certain activities and the right brain works for certain activities, but not really. Both the left and right brain come together in enhancing the creativity of the child. So we will not just work on enhancing the left or the right brain, we will work on enhancing both the left and right regions of the brain to enhance the holistic creative development of the child. I would love to embark on this journey of enhancing the creativity of every child, and I hope that parents really find this as an eye-opener in understanding the creativity of the child and embarking on a journey that will, I surely assure, will be life-changing. Thank you.